and we're gonna go outside, take a break. Okay, but right now, I'll go out right here to the yard and show everybody how we do social distancing and we still get fresh air, right? We got fresh air and still doing social distancing at the same time, right? Right. Right, let's go do that. That girl wanted to get paid. Did you put your money up? Where? You put it. Is that where you put all your money all the time? You put it there? Okay, good. You're the only one place with that, so good. At least you don't have to worry about that. It's not in the way. Nobody can. Okay, I'm coming. Just wait. Give me a second. She asked me to take her to the front yard and she's gonna pay for the She showed me where the money was. She said the money's right there in that pocket. Come on. Ready? Okay. Okay, let me get my bag first in case it's going outside. Please have the phone. Please. I'll be outside waiting for I'm too fat, but I want that donut. What'd she say? Did she say no? No, there's just one bag. Well, I don't know if there's a box. I just know about that bag on the counter. Let's go outside first. Come on. Let's go I can't be in the sun. We gotta go in the shade, okay? Because I can't be in the sun. Because the sun will kill me. Who's doing this? The neighbors? Oh, thank you. Excuse me, sorry. Coming through, come through. Billy, you all right? Don't wet your feet. You okay? Come on, baby. I gotta sit down and sit my bones down, okay? Just sit my fat butt down right here. Bring it down. Nice outside. Woo. I'm sure the spiders over there. I've been in this chair for a long time. Yeah. And get some air, America. Good time over there. Woo. See, America, outside. You can be outside, just stay in your own lane. See, America, we all like to be outside. You know, trees and flowers, beautiful day. You know, America. But hey, we just not hot. No, not in the shade. It's not. Hurry back. Don't be alone. So, America. So one of my subscribers, who is also a friend of mine, said that I should start showing myself more. So that's what I'm doing right now. Showing myself I'm just a normal person, just like everyone else. Just a normal person. Get my fresh air. I'm agoraphobic, but I'm comfortable right now because there's nobody out here but me, and anybody that's out here is far away from me. So, and just my granddaughter. So, basically, it's a beautiful day. It is. So you can hear the kids, but you can't see them because they're far away. Or maybe you can see them way back there. So none of the kids over here are getting sick. God bless them. And I'm really enjoying today. A little dusty now. I'm getting all kind of stuff on me. I guess nobody's been sitting in these chairs but the cats in the last few months. Here she comes. What you got? Gum? Oh, you got some gum? What kind of gum? Bubble gum? Bubble? Is it tasty? Delicious? Yellow. Good gum too. But you got some bubble gum, don't you? So let me get on this. Start this video. Some special effects on the video. I'm just kind of addicted to the sparkles that I put on my videos because I just love art, you know. I love art and sparkles and, you know, things that glow, lights, different colored lights. Just really addicted to that. I love it a lot, you know. Really love it a lot. Smoking a cigarette, yeah, it's not good for you. Smoke a cigarette maybe twice a day. I wouldn't say it's a good thing, no. Not at all. I wouldn't promote anyone to smoke cigarettes, and I wouldn't start anyone on cigarettes or anything that they don't do. I don't think that's a good thing now. My granddaughter's over there playing with the bugs like I used to do when I was little. She's not afraid of them. Don't kill him. Whatever you do, don't kill him. Because he lives out here. Whatever he is. You know, Elise? Make sure you don't kill it. All right, sweetie? Okay? Elise? Elise? Hello? You're really infatuated over there with the bugs, huh? Huh? Hello? Having a good time with the bugs? Yeah, but don't keep them. Let me see him. And then we'll let him go. Because he lives out here. And we're going to let him be free. Oh, the black ants. Well, we're going to let him out now. See, he's looking for a way out. And we don't want to keep him, okay? So let him out now. Let him out. Let him out. Let him go. He got something to do. He's got a job to do. They have jobs, the ants do. They always have a job. Let him out. Let him get out. Did he get out? Don't help him out. Let him get out by himself. Did he get out? Okay, good. Let him go. Now he got to find his way back where he was. Look, he's going to go all the way back where he was. Watch. Because he has a job. He'll find his way. The ants are real smart. Yeah, I watch a lot of documentaries about ants. They're really smart. Leave them there, especially if they're red. Let them do their job. Don't trap them. They have jobs. They always have jobs to do. Come here. Let me tell you a story. Just tell us. Come here. I want to tell you a story real quick. A quick story. When I was 8 years old. When I was 8 years old, right, Elise, I stepped on a red ant, right? And you see like that piled up that sand right there, and they lived in underneath that dirt, right? So and then I smashed his dirt pile, and I didn't want him there because he was, I was playing with my toys there. But there was a big old yard. I could have played anywhere. But I smashed his dirt pile, and guess what he did? And then I didn't want to play back there no more. I went to the front of the yard, and all those ants came from the back of the yard to the front of the yard to get me and bite me. And you know what? And that's when I learned to respect them. That they were smaller than me, but they could go fast. Like an army, they all came for me. I don't know how long it took them.
You could have got a knife and smacked them.
Yeah, but I didn't want to hurt them. They taught me a lesson. I wasn't supposed to bother them.
They bit you?
Yeah, because they bit me. They came to find me, and they bit me because I smashed their house. That's when I was 8 years old. Not today. That's when I was 8 years old. So I learned my lesson.
Someone kicked me.
No. I left them alone because then they have jobs to do. So I left them alone. Then I watched them on Wild Kingdom, and I learned. Why they did. No, leave them alone. Don't do it. They have jobs to do. Don't bother them. Like that would be like a giant, something big coming and smashing our house, right? We wouldn't like it. If something big and came,
giant air smashed our house.
That's right. We wouldn't like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we won't smash your house either. We'll just let them have their little life, right? There's plenty of yard here for all of us, right? Okay. Yep, that's the real thing. Yep, that's a wish. That's when you blow it and you make a wish. You make a wish like the candles. Make a wish first and then blow it. Like this. Yep, make a wish. Close your eyes, make a wish. And then blow. And every wish you make is supposed to be in your head. You're not supposed to say it out loud. You're not supposed to tell nobody your wishes. You're supposed to do it secret. But don't do it like that. You gotta let it stay on there and blow it. My mother showed me that when I was little. Your grandma. Grandma Gigi. She showed me that when I was your age. And then you let it fly away. And what those are seeds. And so then they'll grow somewhere else. And actually before it turned into that fluffy white stuff that you blow away, it was a yellow flower. And those are dandelions. And that's what the caveman ate. Yep, that's how you do it. And you know, that's what the first people that ever lived, that's what they used to eat those. The green leaves around it. It's called a dandelion. It's called dandelions, yup. Dandelion greens. They're good for you. Look at you, you gotta get in that hammock.